Hello everyone, my name is Sohaib, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about gonna, wanna, and gotta. Now you're probably thinking, what's that? I've never heard of it before in my life. Or maybe you've seen these words and you looked them up in the dictionary, but then you thought, why can't I find them? Well, today I'm going to be explaining you exactly what they are. Well, basically, gotta, wanna, and gonna are reduction words. You see, native English speakers, they're very lazy, and we don't tend to use the full form of a verb. For example, gonna is just a reduction form of going to, while wanna is a reduction form of want to. And finally, gotta is a reduction form of got to. Now, when speaking in English and conversing in English, it tends to get tedious and tiring when you constantly have to say going to, want to, got to. So over the years, what we've done is basically shorten these words and made it so that it's easier for us to say them constantly. Now I'm going to give you some examples on how to use each one of these words. First, I'm going to start with gonna. Gonna is a reduction form of going to. If you say, I'm going to school tomorrow, well, instead, you can say, I'm gonna go to school tomorrow. You see how that's easier to say? Usually, when we say gonna, we say it when we're trying to plan for something in the future. So, I'm gonna go to the mechanic. I'm gonna get my glasses, etc. Aside from that, the next word we have is wanna. Now, wanna, similar to gonna, is a reduction form of want to. Now, let's think of some sentences. How about I want to get some ice cream? Well, instead you can say I want to get some ice cream. Or maybe you want to get some new books. Well, instead of saying want to, why don't we just shorten this a little and say I want to get some new books? Aside from that, we can also remove the subject from these sentences. So instead of saying I want to get some new books, we can always say want to get some new books. Lastly, we have gotta. Now, gotta is a reduction form of got to. Let's think of some sentences. I got to get my driver's license. I got to get a new table. Well, instead we can say I gotta get my driver's license. I gotta get a new table. You see how using these words, it's become a lot easier to say them? Instead of constantly saying going to, want to, gotta, got to, instead we just say wanna, gonna, gotta. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you'd like to see more content from me, make sure you like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Aside from that, if you would like to take my classes, you can visit your nearest Lingo branch and sign up today. Thank you.